All right, you can look.
Ah, chicken! Why you want this?
What do you think, Mom? Are you mad at me? Don't be mad at me.
So mad.
You need to love me. All right, you guys, let's get this project started. I've been going through the car and I know quite a few spots where I need to get some new chrome inserts down here, new housing around these lights. I need to get a brand new bumper, new chrome that goes down at the bottom of here, housing for this light. I need to get a new air filter. I need new valve caps. I'm gonna get, yeah man, full upgrades going on inside. Antenna, I need new upholstery. I need an entirely new dash. I need a new steering wheel, more new upholstery. If you know me or anything about me, you know that sound is a big issue. So, of course, the entire sound system is gonna be redone. So first thing I'm gonna do is give this bad boy a new butt. Because if you see, rusted through the bumper, they got hit right here and it was caved in. So I'm not sure what problems I'm gonna find inside of there because this is moved in. Hopefully these brackets will still fit on this bumper. Hi guys. And I just installed the torsion rods in there, but they're old. And so that means they're already bent. These torsion rods, what they do is they spring and that should hold the trunk up. So I should not need these pruning shears to hold up this trunk. So let's get that done. I still have no idea what these chrome pieces go to. I'm gonna clean them up, straighten them up, and see if I can find where these go. Well, this is the kind of crazy, dangerous part, is I'm removing these old torsion rods that don't have any spring left in them, and I'm using these hedge trimmers to hold the trunk up. Get these new shiny bright torsion rods in. Oh my gosh, there's so much more spring to these. I'm gonna need some real tools. All right, I finished this back bumper. Look at how clean that line looks now. So license plate holders coming in. Haven't decided if I wanna get new guys right here on yet, and then the chrome tips for this. Now, yeah, look at this old bumper. All nasty and bent. Now I have this front bumper, so I'm gonna pull this front bumper off. It's all rusted and, you know, used and abused, taken care of. So I'm gonna pull that off, put the new bumper on. I did something pretty funny. So I've got this license plate area. I've got my new vintage vehicle license plate here. I've got my new chrome tips that are gonna go right here. But you guys gotta take a look at this. Little bumper stop for the license plate. There was just a hole. Can anyone guess what this is? It's the exact same height off the side. Do you know what I put in there? I ripped a Nerf dart apart and I squoze it through right there. So a Nerf dart is gonna hold this license plate on. All right, you guys, the time has come. This dash is getting ripped out. Steering wheel ripped off. Then removing all these panels, removing this nasty Pioneer deck, and then I'm gonna paint this all this same blue, and then this should all be this kind of brushed nickel and white dash. Now look at this. Look at these guys. All right, we'll see. Oh, that middle one's not hooked up to anything. Just you. That's good to know. I figure, you know what? If we're going all out, we're going all out. We're taking the entire dash off, and I am gonna repaint this whole thing right now. Let's just get it all done, do it right. So I'm ripping everything off, including the steering wheel, and my motivation is I really want to drive it again this weekend, so I'd better get this crap done. So late nights, here we go. All right, now it's time to start putting stuff back together. No steering wheel, no stereo, no AC vents, no console. These guys are all in. This guy is in. And then I left all this out because I'm going to reupholster this. So I do not want to put the rest of this dash cover in yet. So that's what's going down. All right, so let's get one good last look at it. This blue, you know, it just needs some love. Get these seats out. Get this burnt back area out. All right, the cracked seats. Get this dash all fixed, put in the bed. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Well, seats are coming out. Everything's worked out. Got my new speaker cable still in here, but yeah, it's going. What's nice though is you see the pan is still good. These things are all still good, not a ton of rust. So, stay tuned. The new color's coming. Well, I'm sitting in my car, but I'm not sitting on a chair. Carpet's about to come out, seats are all out, upholstery, all the man, it's kind of crazy in here. You've got but what's nice is you can check for rust, you can pull everything up, you can start ripping it out, and it will not be blue down here anymore. I'm super excited. So we're gonna keep on ripping out all the clamps, moving everything out. Oh man, I've got tools everywhere. So stay tuned, and then next, after that, gonna get all the AC and everything put back together. All right, so I've got some professionals helping me out now because this was way bigger of a project that I could do. And I'm gonna show you what the other door looks like. New panel, everything is fresh and clean, and it looks great. There's the old panel on the ground, and this is what the new panel looks like. Stop it, stop it. Come on, how incredible is this? So this is gonna go throughout all these areas in the car. I can't even tell you how excited I am. So, one more look. We'll wait for this. All right, I'm super excited because I am at the last part of this interior, right? Look at those seats. That line, that white line right there, goes to the back, connects to that white line. I'll do a better interior when it's a little bit brighter out. But, oh, I can show you right here, actually. See that white line? Connects. Oh, come on, I can't even show it here. Anyway, so now I've got the dash. Got this part finished. I just have to finish with the horn. I've got that new Bluetooth vintage looking radio in there. I guess stereo. And now I have these dash pieces that match the rest with my Mustang emblem. And this is going to finish off this dash. I am so pumped. To get this dash piece in, I've got my stocking foot pushing up into the right because this upholstery is so tight. My hand here, and I just got it locked in place. And I'm like breathing all heavy, but it's been 45 minutes. And I finally got this lined up and in. It's in here that's having the issues. So yeah, I got clean socks on though, that's nice. There's the vent. I just zip tied that guy on. I have to zip tie this guy on. I have to somehow get this guy sucked up in here so that the glove box can open and close. And then I've got this guy down here I need to mount up here. I've got my evening worked out for me, so yeah, my feet are like, I'm trying not to get anything dirty. Oh, it's an ab workout. Okay. All right, you guys, it is time to reveal Sally. So Sally came to me with a paint job and nothing else. Interior need to be replaced, carpeting, seats, all of that. There was no radio in it. Radio need to be replaced, dash need to be replaced, instrument panel need to be replaced. I mean, top to bottom, new bumpers, a couple extra things. Tires and wheels were toast, as you saw. So now, here we go. We are going to reveal Mustang Sally. So, 67, 289, Mustang Coupe. I decided to throw these stripes. I didn't want to do the Shelby Racing stripes. So we did our own, where we had it coming in through the sides and then pull to the rest of the vehicle. So now we go into the front end. I put on these blue, well actually you can do any color you want with these kind of halo lights. It is illegal to drive with them different colors than white, so I flip it to white when I'm driving. But I did put these chrome rings on, redid the chrome bumper, chrome around the hood and the front end, and then had to do new rear view mirror. But I did tint the windows just a teeny bit. I didn't want to go too much, but just enough that I get a teeny bit more privacy while driving. These stripes end at the trunk. Now what I didn't do is finish off with my Mustang emblems, which I will do, but they take a lot of precision, which I haven't had time to get that precise on them yet. But now, let's go do the interior. All right, so first, doors. Got this, we'll call it vegan leather for those who like that name, with this white blue with the diamonds, and I did white thread through the diamonds. Then I ripped out the whole dash, all of it, had this rebound. I put this in, got this nice little Mustang emblem I threw in right there. But then we can get to this radio. The old sound system, there wasn't one. They pretended to have one, but it wasn't a sound system. So see how this says Mustang? But wait, behind those dials, it says Bluetooth audio. So it looks like a normal stereo, but now it's got a totally updated sound system. And it sounds beautiful. We took this line, lean your seat forward. We continued that white through to the back and kept the diamonds on the bottom. Kept that through the seats with the blue stitching. All right, so reupholstered the whole trunk area. Had those old panels, so I just kept those in there. I have the fabric for it, but you know, I did update a little bit with that. New torsion rods, new seals. This thing is airtight now. So let's start her up, see how she sounds. Well, that's a tour of Sally the Mustang. Having a blast. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned. I got a new vehicle that we're pumped about. You'll see it soon. Peace.